So I am adding the 1b that it says that use the frequency chart for data 1 and data 2, and it asks that is it normally distributed. So I will do for data 1, and then data 2 follows the similar procedure. So let me just go here, then delete all I have, and then as I told, we will use the count function, and then this count function will give us the frequency of the values. But before that, I want to know how many, what's the minimum and the maximum of this data 1 range. So I will just go with the minimum. The minimum of this one is that 23, and then the maximum will be the same range, but instead of minimum I will use the maximum. So let me just copy and paste it here. It will just go from 2 to 251, and then instead of minimum, as I told, I will use the maximum. So I have the values from 23 to 37. So let me just, okay, so I will just start from 23 and then go up to 37. So you press Control and then it will count it, and then 37. Okay, and then for this range I will count it. So count, so it will just count the range. The range is the data 1. Since I will use the same range all the time, I will just add the $sign here for A2, and then for A251, and then I will say that count 23. Second one is to count which number. So there is one number, so 23. So just down, so it just counts 24. There are again one number. So similarly, then I will go all the way down, and then this is the result of the frequency. So 23 happens once, 24 once, 25 5 times, 28 36 times. And now time is to plot it. So that always is the best to start with this plot so that you don't have any error when you move on to the column chart. So just select the X values, and then I will select my Y values. Okay, and this is the graph. It looks like a walking man. Anyway, let's change the chart type, then the column chart, and this one, and then you are done. So this is what I wanted for question number 1, part CB. So what some of you, as I told, did using data analysis, and the histogram, but this is not what I wanted. I wanted the column bar chart using the frequency. So this is just covered in the Canvas as well. If you just go to Canvas, so I did the same one before, so you can see the description of the, let me see, it's a frequency chart 5.2. This is the same one as covered in this 1B. Okay, similarly you will do the second one. Just start with the minimum to maximum and then count and plot it. Okay, thanks for watching, guys.